If you want to monitor your internet speed on your Windows 10 taskbar like this, then this video is just for you. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So to install internet speed meter on your Windows 10 taskbar, all you have to do is just go to this website. This website link is in the description box down below. Now click on this download button. Now choose your operating system. Then your download will be started automatically. I have already downloaded this software, so I am going to install it from here. But wait, if you try to directly install this software, then it will not work on your PC. So just right click on the downloaded software. Now click on properties and then click on compatibility mode. Now check this box and click on apply, then OK. Now you can install the software. After you finished installation, then it will ask, do you want net speed monitor toolbar on your taskbar? So click on yes. Now it's installed. So guys, this is how we can check live internet speed on your Windows 10 taskbar. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video and I'll see you on my next one.